Guys, it's time to stop using your phone for free. In today's video, I'm going to show you a money-making strategy that is so easy to do and make sure that your phone pays you. This strategy is completely free. You just have to download 3 apps, and I'm going to show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. I'm going to be taking you through these step by step, so make sure to pay close attention right until the end, and you won't regret it. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. Now, without further ado, let's get into the juicy part. Which apps are gonna be paying you to use your phone? Up first, we have this fantastic website. As you can see, a better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fees needed. Get better insights from our panel of high-quality testers. No subscription needed, no monthly fees, $60 per user test. When you scroll down a little, you'll see that this website is trusted by over 500 organizations, and some of these are very large organizations that are well known in the industry. They have over 140,000 qualified testers all over the world, and over 500 happy clients who use their feel for a better website or app. They also show here how users feel compared to other popular user testing tools. Like, there's no need for subscription. Unlike other apps, they'll show you the cost of subscription plans. And there are many other comparison points that they highlight too. So, do user testing? Why are people paid to test something? Here's why. It helps you discover your users' issues, frustrations, doubts, needs, and desires. Knowing this helps form high-impact ideas for improving your website usability, conversion rate, and revenue. It helps you discover bugs that you didn't know you had on desktop and mobile and on different browser types. Fixing these bugs quickly helps you reduce exit and increase conversion rate. Now, let's go to the bottom of the page, and under Tester section, click on Get Paid to Test, because we're not here as a customer, but as someone who wants to use their phone to earn money. So click this, and it'll take us over to this page, Become a Tester Now. Kindly fill out all of this information right here, like your first name, last name, email address, and then confirm it. Your country, and as you can see, this is available worldwide. So wherever you're from, don't worry, because this is also for you. Next is your birth year, password, and confirm it, and so on. You may click on this to read all of their frequently asked questions on becoming a tester on this website. Become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch example videos to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. Now, what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. Do testers need to buy products or services from the websites they test? No. You may be asked to go through the checkout process of online stores, but most of the time the scenario will ask you to stop before clicking on the final Submit button. In any case, you should not enter your real credit card details while performing a test. Now, what equipment do I need to be a tester? In order to test websites and get paid $10 per test, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer. If you're on Windows, you need to have a Windows 7 or newer. Your computer also needs to have a microphone, either internal like most laptops have, or external if you need to buy an extra microphone. Even the cheapest one selling for around $2 will work. Should I use my real name and address while conducting a test? No, you should use a fake detail while conducting a test. And what language should I speak? You should speak in the language of the test you'll be sent. Tasks in your native language and sometimes in another language that you have set as fluently spoken in your profile. So you should never be asked to speak in languages that you don't speak fluently. What is the qualification test and why do I need to take it? The qualification test is an initial test each new tester needs to take in order to verify that they have a microphone and that they can speak their thoughts while completing the tasks. Based on this qualification test, testers receive the first rating that will determine if and how often they'll get paid for usability tests. There's no payment for the qualification test. And before we get into the second website, this site can be found at userfeel.com. So go check out this URL now, and you should be ready to go after everything that we have shown you. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, be sure to leave a comment down below to show us some love. Let us know if you've heard of this app before. Now, let's get back to business. The second website is honeygain.com. Passive income effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for its streaming platform subscription. Unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks or gains access to the storage of your device. Know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. Here's how this app or website works. Set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, macOS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection together with bits of information that's publicly available online. Help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic that they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or Bitcoin. You can click here and register now to get a free $5 sign-up bonus. Awesome, right? Okay, now for our last app. Go on over to moneyapp.org, and this is what it should look like. You can earn money by completing simple offers. This is available on both iOS and Android, so you don't have to worry about the type of device that you have. So click on this tab if you're an Android user, or click on this if you're on iOS, and it'll take you here on the App Store where you can download this app. Money App Cash and Rewards app, 12+. Earn money with small tasks. #1 best reward site. Get money for completing tasks, giving opinions, checking store displays, mystery shopper testing services, free trials. New tasks are updated often, so you never run out of money-making opportunities. You can do it anytime, and you can dedicate as much or as little time as you want. There are no complicated missions, and best of all, it's a fun and quick way to make a few extra bucks. Money App pays fast. No gift cards or discounts. You are paid hard cash in your PayPal account. So, how does it work? #1, complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards. #2, redeem your credits for cash via PayPal. And #3, get paid in 2 to 3 working days. They have a 4.9 out of 5 rating, which is pretty much as good as you can get. And here you can read all the positive reviews about this app, which show that this is definitely legit and actually paying users. And that's all there is to it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you've made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let procrastination stop you. Get up and start trying different things to make money. Start with today's strategy at least, and just see where it gets you. And comment down below what your experience is like. We love hearing how you guys find our methods, which we spend tons of time researching. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted right away when we upload more amazing money-making methods. We'll see you next time.